Everyone, welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. I'm done cooking. Let's eat, everyone. Eat breakfast before I go to work. So this is the maple brown sausage done, and the tocino right here. Tocino right here. Pork tocino and hard-boiled eggs for breakfast, and that's it. And basmati rice, some basmati rice, and that's it. And a coffee. Enjoy and God bless everyone. Let's eat breakfast. Brain power before I go to work. So thank you for watching. God bless. So long, and see you again soon. Brain power before I go to work. So let's eat, enjoy, and God bless you all. So long, everyone. Thank you for watching. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. A happy Monday morning. Let's eat breakfast before time to go to work. So thank you and God bless. Maple brown sugar from product of Canada. So thank you for watching. God bless. So long, and see you again soon. Enjoy watching, and thank you for watching, everyone. God bless. Take care, and God bless everyone. So long. Enjoy the rest of your day, and please like and share and promote my YouTube channel by subscribing, like and share, and make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello there, hello everyone, wherever you are in the whole world. Mabuhay tayong lahat as saan man tayo naroon ng sulok ng mundo. Ingat po tayo, and take care, and God bless you all. So long. Have a lovely day and have a nice day. Thank you, and God bless you all. Thank you for watching.